Smart contract deployment refers to the process of creating and uploading the contract's code and its execution environment onto the blockchain. After uploading, the contract becomes immutable, meaning its code cannot be changed, and the contract's logic and action remain automated and trustworthy. In essence, smart contracts automate multi-step processes and establish blockchain-based transactions, increasing transparency and trust in the system. Smart contract deployment on various blockchains. Here's how smart contract deployment works on various blockchain networks. Bitcoin, BTC, Bitcoin scripting language allows for very basic smart contract deployment, primarily supporting transactions between parties. One issue with smart contracts on Bitcoin is the limited functionality, which restricts the kinds of applications developers can create on the Bitcoin network. Ethereum, ETH. Ethereum is the most popular smart contract platform, mainly because of its support for advanced Turing-complete programming languages like Solidity. It also has a robust development community that actively contributes to its development and provides developer-friendly tools like Truffle, Remixide, and Hardhat, to name a few. Solana, Solana has extended its smart contract capabilities to cover much more programming languages than Ethereum, making it an attractive choice for developers who prefer non-EVM-based languages. The cost of gas on Solana is also lower than Ethereum, meaning it's a more cost-effective platform for smart contract deployments. Arbitrum, Arbitrum is a unique scaling solution for ETH that leverages rollups to improve throughput while reducing transaction costs. It's easy for developers to deploy their existing smart contracts to Arbitrum, requiring only minor changes in code to make them compatible with the platform. Aptos includes a variety of techniques, including sharding and parallel execution, which drastically reduce the time and processing required to complete the smart contract deployment and execution. This makes the deployment process more efficient, and developers can deploy smart contracts faster. Smart contract deployment is a crucial aspect for dApp developers, and understanding the architecture and features of the various blockchain networks helps in choosing the most suitable platform. Bitcoin smart contracts are basic and suitable only for simple transactions. Ethereum offers comprehensive smart contract capabilities, and is popular among developers for its Turing-complete programming language. Solana and Arbitrum have emerged as promising platforms for smart contract deployment, supporting more development languages and lower gas costs. Aptos, an up-and-coming blockchain network, is introducing new techniques to make smart contract deployment faster and more efficient. Overall, each platform has unique features and capabilities that make them attractive for smart contract deployment. Many developers do not want to run the validator to deploy their smart contracts. Our browser provides a one-click foolproof deployment feature. Here is how to deploy your smart contract on Transformers Explorer pages. Deployment Smart Contract. Prepare your smart contract code file and Tree Wallet app. Open the deployment contract interface of the Transformers blockchain browser. Select the compiler version and protocol standards to your code, and upload the smart contract source code file. Click the Compile button to compile your source code and display the corresponding parameters. You can view and copy the corresponding ABI structure and encoded code. Click the Deploy button, a pop-up box will see, fill in the deployment parameters. Click the Confirm button, enter the QR code scanning page. Open the Tree Wallet, click on the plus icon below, select Scan QR Code, and scan the QR code that appears on the web page. Scan and display contract content information, pay contract deployment fees, and complete contract deployment. Successfully deployed, you will see your contract deployment block information on the blockchain browser. Verify and publish contract source code. If you want users to trust your contract or participate in Discord airdrops, you can publish your contract source code to make users trust your contract content. Open the Verify Contract interface of the Transformers blockchain browser. Fill in your information according to the content of the deployment contract. After verification, you can see your source code in the Transformers blockchain browser. Execute Smart Contract. Verify if your smart contract is executable. Debug contract calls in the blockchain browser. Enter the smart contract block information interface in the browser, click the Contract button. After verifying the contract source code and Call Contract button will be displayed. Click the Call Contract button to see a list of method names in the contract. Choose one of the methods, input the corresponding parameters, and make a contract call. If you want to call your contract through code, please read the relevant content of the developer module Execute Contract. If you want to call your contract through the validator node, please read the relevant content of call contract in the menu's command line guide.